Hi everybody, today we're doing a test on my Wheelock E70 speaker. That's all I have left because I took this speaker strobe apart a long time ago. So we're doing that, and we're sounding my WA Siren, Whemenoc Alarms Siren. I programmed in a digital audio workstation. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to turn down your volume because this may be very loud. See you in the next video.
3, 2, 1. For an example of how loud this speaker actually is, should be able to hear it still. Yeah, very loud. The quality is horrible.
That was a test of my Wheelock E70 speaker with my tone, WA Siren, Wheelock Alarms Siren. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.